Let us see how to roast baingan for bharta. For this, we take one large eggplant, nicely wash it and dry it. We now take some oil and smear it completely over the eggplant. We can use cooking oil for this. As we would be keeping this on the flame, this oil will actually help to ensure that it doesn't get burnt. Now, we see that the eggplant is ready to be roasted. We now take it on the gas stove. We're using two things here. One is a metal grill mesh that you see, and the second thing is a metal handle which will actually help us to rotate the eggplant completely to ensure that it gets roasted on all sides. Now you see that we've started to roast the eggplant. We need to roast it until it becomes darkish brown and it cooks adequately on all sides. It is always a good practice to check whether the eggplant has been cooked, for which we use a fork. Here we see that it's not completely cooked yet because the fork is not moving in completely. Let's cook the bottom of the eggplant. Let's once again check if it's cooked. You'll see that we are nicely able to penetrate the eggplant. So we now transfer this into a plate, and it's time to nicely peel the eggplant so that it can be mashed in for the baingan ka bharta. You should be able to peel it very easily. The skin comes off just with the hand, and now we would cut off the top portion of the eggplant, and here you can see that the internal part of the eggplant has also nicely cooked. We are using this masher to completely mash the baingan. You can see I'm able to mash it. Now the mashed baingan is ready.